It's so important to do this kind of features because once you put your name and your phone was lost and somebody found it, and once that they know you well, then it's easy for them to find you, right? And also, if you put the number on it on your lock screen and somebody found it, there's a password, they are not able to open it, they have no choice but to call the number that show up on the screen, right? There's a lot of helpful stuff for just putting these features, right? So if I were you, just follow the procedure and you will learn how to put your name or number on the lock screen. Okay? Please subscribe and click the bell. Hey guys, I have something to tell you about this lock screen. As you can see, there is a name on this lock screen, right? For those the guys that didn't know how to do this yet, I will tell you how to do it. This video is for the guys that didn't know how to do this yet, and not for the guys that was already know about this. Okay, so for the guys that didn't know how to do it, just follow my step and you will learn how to put your name on the lock screen. Okay, the lock screen is very important, especially if you can put the number on it, so that once that your phone was lost and somebody found it, they may call that number, right? Especially if your cell phone has a password and they're not able to open it, so they have no choice but to call the number that show up on the screen, right? And you can also put your name in there, so once somebody found which is knows you well, then it's easy for them to find you, right? So I will teach you how to put your name on the lock screen. Okay, so you can put any name or any number on your lock screen once that you follow the procedure, right? You can also change anytime as long as you follow the procedure. Okay, so let's start to do it. The first step is swipe the screen, scroll up. Once you find the name focus, click it, go to personal, choose the name custom, type your number or name, choose the emoji if you like, tap customized focus, choose customize screens, tap it, turn on smart activation, and that's it. And if you don't have name focus on the screen, swipe it, scroll up, until you see the flash sign. Click it, then type focus on the search box. Tap the word focus, tap the screen, and choose the word personal. Tap custom, type your number or name, choose emoji if you want, then click next. Tap customize focus, choose customize screens, turn on smart activation, and that's it.
Makes sense.